Hey YouTube. Reason why I had this on was because there's a winter storm warning for us, and I'm gonna show you guys how much snow we got. It's been snowing like all morning. Look at that, guys. It's snowing. So yeah, that's how much it's been like snowing all morning. So yeah, yeah. And I'm still waiting to start cleaning, so I'll let you guys know when I'm done cleaning and when I get to go outside to let you guys know on how much snow we have. So yeah, we're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches tonight. So that may be no school, because 5 to 8 inches is a lot of snow for us, and it is, let me see, February 5th. Yeah, we're getting snowed. Don't worry, I'm just wearing pants. So yeah. This is what I'm wearing today, my pajamas. So if you guys are wondering, I'm wearing my pajamas. I take my nightie that's like too short, and then I take some leggings, because I love leggings. You guys know I love leggings. Look. So I like leggings. So Rachel needs to get her ass up to finish this. She needed to finish that. Yeah. She still has school tomorrow. For us, I don't know. So I'll update you guys later. Hi YouTube, we're outside here at late. So we got home late. Her bag's at Grandma's still. But she wants to play in the snow, huh? Yes. Before we go to bed, huh? Oh my gosh. It's literally been snowing all day. Showing how to make a snow angel. Let me show you this. We may possibly have no school. So I'm going to add this to the vlog. So I'm going to do some editing. Put this on YouTube. So it's cold out here. Zoe's out playing in the snow. So yeah, please like, comment, and well, not that. I'm not quite finished the vlog yet. So I'm gonna take a picture of Zoe real quick. It's dark out, so that's why. And it's like 5 o'clock, so it gets dark earlier. So we gotta go pretty soon. Zoe. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Okay. So I'm gonna go, and then I'll show you guys pictures of her snow angels and what she makes in the snow. I can't believe it started snowing today. It's crazy. And potential for no school is high. Like, when I'm saying that, sure you can see, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go for now. So bye. So what was I trying to record was that me and Zoe got back from the park. Zoe's just relaxing, watching some videos from my channel until 7:30, and then I get her ready for bed. Tonight it's just her because all the other kids are at their grandma's. Well, they had to go there anyway because Zoe was coming back and I want to spend like some time with her. If we don't have school tomorrow, then we're definitely going to spend a lot more time with each other. So yeah, that's probably going to be it for the vlog, and I don't know what to call this vlog today. I'm looking at all my titles of the videos I did on YouTube. And yeah, I think I'm going to call this one Snow Day / winter storm warning because we are currently under a winter storm warning. So yeah. So bye.